Incident what Mr. Roman Vaz has told. This looks like something planned. If you see this area, there are tall trees, there is shade here. Sauli asa hanga saglyak. Okay? There is no chance of anything hitting up that fire can just automatically ignite. So this is a very cool place, and especially uzo 10-10 petla when the temperatures are low. So that means definitely somebody has come and put fire. Now the other side is, today in Goa, we have recorded 38 degrees temperature. This is the highest in India today, it's a record. But 38 degrees is not a temperature where ignition of fire takes place anywhere. Now why this is happening? Government has come with a circular की भुरग्यांक इस्कॉलाच्या भुरग्यांक बारांक आवय बापायनी व्हरपाचे. The government, if they are so worried, then why are they doing deforestation in Goa? Why the trees which are being cut, the forestation is happening in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka? Why? We should concentrate on Goa. आमची झाडां कापता आणि in the name of forestation you are doing it in other states. This is the result. Deforestation. As गर्मी वाढला 38 degrees is because of the callous attitude of the government. Definitely this is a conspiracy. And at the same time we thank the fire brigade people, the firemen who came last night, the police who came last night. We thank them. We also thank concerned citizens like Sebi Pereira, ex-sarpanch, Roman Vaz, who is a punch of a village from the other days, Father Balmex, who was the first to come here, all those who joined, the youth who joined. So म्हाका दिसता citizens have to be alert. हे पळय कोण कितें करता, उजो लायता, we will have to stop this, catch them and expose them.